The 5 ways to wellbeing are about behaviours, they're about people doing things, whereas a lot of the standard wellbeing measures are about people reporting on how they feel. So the kind of way that you might want to assess 5 ways activity is probably different. Rather than saying, how did you feel about your life overall, or how happy were you yesterday? What you really want to know is, how often did people actually connect with others? How often were they active? How much time did you spend taking notice of your surroundings, or whatever it is? So the nature of the kind of questions you might ask people might be different. There have been a couple of attempts, and we've done a bit of work with some colleagues at Cambridge to try and think about how you can measure these kind of things robustly, but it's quite hard actually, because the other difficulty is, of course, Connect. Let's take Connect as an example, the first of the 5 ways. Well, it's a headline, but there's lots of kinds of things that could fall under connecting. There's many different ways of connecting with people. The nature of our social relationships, everyone's is wide and complex. And so trying to capture in a couple of questions, all the possible ways in which people connect turns out to be very difficult.